Hello students, I am Shyam Bhatia and I welcome to on E Academy 123. Today we will discuss Karnataka Common Entrance Test previous year question paper for mathematics. So this question paper is 2018 which was asked, and some mathematics question I have taken in this video discussion. So let's start video. This is the nothing but you can observe, this is the exam date and this is the subject and this is the in which year it was hold exam, and this is the time of exam 70 minutes and 80 minutes for total duration you can say, and maximum marks. And you are on this channel, then subscribe us E Academy 123, and if this is find something interesting after watching that video, then just like also us if you find something interesting. Okay, let's start. In this chapter 1 question, the equation of the line parallel to this line, what does it mean? Parallel to this line, what does it mean? The line which is parallel to this line having the same slope, what does it mean? Y is equal to mx plus c. M, what is the m? The m is the slope of that equation, like that you can say this is the nothing but, and y is equal to plus intercepting, this is the line, and this is the nothing but the theta. Theta, what does it mean? It is the tan theta. Tan theta, what does it mean? It is the slope of that line is equal to m. M is equal to in this case it will, if you convert in the form of y is equal to mx plus c, then m will be same for both parallel line. Okay, like that parallel line will be like that also. So this is the parallel, then this is the theta you can say. Okay, so this parallel line having the same slope, yes or no? Then the equation of that line I can writing here parallel to it 3x minus 4y and a plus what you can write here k, nothing but k, because we don't know k is the intercept on y axis equal to nothing but 0. Okay, and this parallel line is passing through minus 2 comma 3. So here x I will put minus 2 and y I will put 3, then 3 into what will happen, nothing but minus 2. This is the and minus 4 into what is the value of y? Y is the 3. Okay, and here is the nothing but k, that I have to calculate it will equating to 0, and after calculation minus 6 and minus 12, so minus 18. So nothing but k is equal to what? When you will change the side, then minus 18 to plus 18. So final equation I will write here, 3x minus 4y, and k I have find what? Plus 18. And which option is falling? A option is correct. Okay, and in this section you will say write in the complex number 1 minus I upon, you can write 1 plus I. Okay, 1 plus I, and this is nothing but if you squaring up that side, and if you write here nothing but the 96 divided by 2, then 48 you can write. Now 1 minus I square and 1 plus I square of both sides, so 1 plus what does it mean? I square, you know, and minus 2i. Okay, minus 2i, and again divided by nothing but 1 plus I square is the same, you know everyone. Yes, because 1 plus I square and plus 2i upon, but the interesting plus 2i. Okay, the okay, and here you can write is equal to 48 the power, but you can observe I square is minus 1, so it will cancel out both. I square again minus 1, it will cancel out both. So minus 2i upon 2i, I to I cancel and 2 cancel. The final equation minus I raised to the power what? 48, and 48 is again what? Nothing but it is the even number, so nothing but the value is 1, and 1 also can be written as 1 plus 0 into I. Okay, and it will equal to this a plus ib. So a holding the 1 and b holding the 0. Okay, b holding the 0, a holding 1, b option is correct. Okay, so it's also correct. And here it is the very simplest and laddu question, you can say. Nothing but b minus c, and on equal basis the powers are can be added. So b minus c, c minus a, whatever the relation between. But if it doesn't exist, then what you can write here, nothing but so b cancel out, plus a cancel out, 0 0 cancel out. So x, y and z all will be multiplied. Okay, you can also write x, y, z, and this is your so nothing but it is the 0, and whatever you get, any one power has 0 1. So which option is D option is correct. Okay, D option is correct. Anyone have the power 0, and here this is nothing but a square, b square, and what is the a cross b? It is the sine square. Yes or no? Everyone know that? Yes, sine square plus what is the dot product? Nothing but a square mod a square, you can say b square, and cos square. Okay, cos square equal to nothing but 144. It is written here. So a square b square, take a common, then inside the bracket sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So finally I can write here nothing but a square plus b square equal to 144. So what is the actual? AB is the 12, because square root of 144 is nothing but square root of 144, nothing but it is the equal to 12. But mod A is given 4, so you can put here 4, B equal to 12. So what will you get? 4 3s are 12, then B is equal to 3. So B option is C option is correct. Okay, and here, hello students, this Unacademy platform is this, and free courses are also available, as well as the top educators, 20 plus top educators, and 10 batches and 250 courses and 2000 plus lessons and many more added per day on that platform. So this platform may catalyze your preparation as much as possible if you consistently follow this instruction and these courses. Right now you can say here the daily free classes for each subject with as per your required and desired medium, and structured and detailed explanation of important topics by expert, and fact and concept oriented things, and learn more from the top educator through the live classes and many quizzes and better explanation and better way to explain a common entrance test 2021. So 2021, for this is enroll, you can enroll for free classes from top educator, and the instructions and the way of explanation by that educator is very much helpful for you. If you follow that instruction, then you can be most effectively for you, just like English for physics, and you can say just chemistry for English, and chemistry other you can say them as much as the Kannada, and here the you can see the other educator, and here the best profile which will help you to do the best to score your exam in that thing. You can follow that. And mathematics expert is here for the complex number, and you can come. NG Lokesh will discuss the complex number as much as possible and simpler way to simplify your confusion, to reduce your burden of preparation. You have to multiply it, but before the multiply you have to do that a and b are mutually perpendicular unit vectors. Unit vector, it does mean the magnitude of a and magnitude of b equal to 1. So mod a equal to, what will happen? Mod b equal to nothing but 1. Mod a and mod b equal to 1. So if you multiply to that number, and if you multiply to that number, and similarly if you multiply to that number, and if you multiply to that number after opening the bracket, and if you resolve the bracket, then you will find nothing but what 3 5s are nothing but the 15, and here a into a, that is the a square, and a into a cos theta, and mutually perpendicular. A and B are mutually perpendicular, but this is the A and this is the B. This is the R perpendicular. Let's say this is the A vector and this is the B vector. Whatever its magnitude, it's saying that the one magnitude. Okay, it doesn't matter. But magnitude. So A dot B, what will happen? A dot B, what will happen? Mod A, you know, and mod B, you know, into cos theta, into cos theta, and they are perpendicular, friends. They are perpendicular. It does mean cos 90, and cos 90 is 0. So a dot B will be 0. A dot B will be 0. So the terms A dot B and B dot A will have no meaning because its value is 0. Only the meaningful content is 3 5 is 15 A square, and similarly minus 6 to the 12. So 6 to the 12 B square, only B square, because it has meaning B into cos 0, because the angle between B and again B having the 0 angle, having the 0 angle. So cos 0 is 1, so it's meaningful, and mod B into mod B 1. Okay, so 15 minus, you can write here nothing but 15 minus here you can write 15 minus yes, minus 12. So finally you will got is 3. Which answer is correct? That is nothing but the very simpler question. B option is correct. Okay, another question is a very good question. So how to do that? Let's start. Nothing but it's a very again simple question. So what is the value of K such that the line lies in a plane? So lies in a plane, so just equate lambda is equal to all of these things. So x is, what is the value? X is nothing but you can take it. So what is lambda plus 4, lambda plus, and this will change the side to, so lambda plus 4, and again what will you write? Y is equal to lambda plus 2. Okay, lambda plus 2, and similarly z is equal to nothing but the if you equate this and 2 lambda. Okay, 2 lambda and plus k. What is the k? Unknown, which this is the k, and we have to find the value of k, and these points what lies on a plane, so it will satisfy the plane equation. So I will put here nothing but 2 comma, what is the value of x? Lambda plus 4. I am putting here lambda plus 4. I think it will cancel out, then minus 4 times of lambda plus 2. Yes or no? Yes. And finally, what is the value of z? Z you can like write 2 lambda plus k. Okay, k equal to nothing but what? 7. Here is the 7 I am putting here. Okay, 7. What will happen? Nothing but 2 lambda, yes, plus 8, and here minus 4 lambda and minus 8, and plus 2 lambda plus k. Okay, so here is nothing but so 2 lambda and 2 lambda, 4 lambda. So 2 lambda, 4 lambda, and minus 4 lambda cancel out, minus plus 8 minus 8 cancel out, only k is equal to nothing but 7. K is equal to nothing but 7, and the question in the question value of k is the 7. So answer is D correct. Okay, you can do easily, and here is the very good question. Why? And you can write here nothing but under root, but it is the infinity, so it is again, you can say it is the y. It is also equal to y. It is also equal to y. So x plus, you can write it is the similar to y. Here it is the similar to y. So squaring both sides, what will you get? Nothing but 2y square is equal to x plus y. differentiating both side with respect to x, so 2 dy and dx and 2y you can also write here, this is the y, and equal to, with respect to x1 of the x, and here is what, nothing but dy upon dx. So what will I can write, just change the side, the similar, and the take the common, what is dy by dx, I am taking common from this, so nothing but 2y, and if it will come, so this is the -1 equal to, this is the 1, so y dash, yeah, this is the dy by dx, what will you happen, dy by dx is equal to 1 upon 2y minus 1 upon 2y minus, so this is the your answer. Okay, it will go the inside. Okay, and finally you will say, and if you watch something special, then share, subscribe and like. Okay, thank you, bye bye.